Alright, so we're coming in with 208 volts to this motor. As far as our connections right here, our line 1 will be connected to our 7 and 1. Line 1 will be connected to 7 and 1 right there, which also comes back in here. This is your main connection inside. So you got line 1 with 7 and 1 right above it. You'll tie your 14 and 4 together. 14 and 4 tied together. Our line 2 will tie to 8 and 2. We've got that tied to our 8 and 2. Again, going back to our box right here. Then we will tie 15 and 5 together. We've got 15 and 5 tied together. Our line 3 will tie to our 9 and 3. Right there. Line 3 to our 9 and 3. And then right above that, our 16 and 6 will be tied together. 16 and 6 right there. Okay. Now, when we first started this, we had our ABC, our lines coming in, going the correct way, in order, ABC, but the motor was running backwards. So if your motor is running backwards, you'll just reverse or switch 2 lines. So if you can, I don't know if you can see it, but we've reversed our A and B inside, and now it's running correctly. Alright, so we're coming in with 211 volts right now between line 1 and line 2. So we're right in our range at 208. Go ahead and give it power. I'll show our amp draw from each line. Our line 1, we've got almost 9 amps. Line 2, right at 9 amps. And line 3, right at 9 amps. We're at 83 degrees right now. And we'll give it a little bit of time to let it warm up. Alright, so we've been running for about 3 to 5 minutes now. We're up just about 10 degrees. We're at 90 degrees, 91 right now. Just a little over 10 minutes. We're now anywhere from 105 to about 120 degrees Fahrenheit. Alright, so we've now been running for about 15 to 20 minutes. You see the bottom of the coil is much hotter. I mean, that's just how it's going to work with the fan blowing on it. The bottom's always going to be hotter than the top of the coil. So we're at about 100 degrees to 110 degrees at the bottom. And as we work our way up, should come to about 76 to 78 degrees to the top of the coil right there. And back down to the bottom, at about 110. Alright, so we're going to show you the voltage coming in just to show that that's not changed, and then we'll show the amp draw on each line as well. Alright, so from line 1 to line 2, so at 201 volts. Line 1 to line 3, 201 volts. And line 2 to line 3. So we're still right in that 208 range. Still at 9 amps. 9 amps. 9 amps on all 3 lines.